In this challenge review, we're going to be focusing on sphere 1. Now, if we go into our game manager here, we can define a private game object variable, and we can call it sphere 1. And if we serialize this using a serialized field attribute, we can then assign who is sphere 1. And now our game manager knows that, okay, cool, this is sphere 1. And what do I want to do to sphere 1? Specifically, I want to enable gravity, which means technically I could just get the rigid body off the sphere. And so if I do that, we can see here that it's looking for a rigid body component, and it will automatically grab the sphere 1 rigid body component. And so because we assigned it through the inspector like that, we still want to make sure that we're null checking this. So the next thing here is, hey, we hit the space key. So we're looking for input. And if we hit the input, then what do? We're going to communicate with the first sphere, which is through the sphere 1. But before I access sphere 1, we need to make sure that it's actually assigned in the inspector and it's not null. So we're going to just check to see if the sphere 1 is not equal to null, meaning that it is properly assigned. Then we're simply going to access underscore sphere 1 dot use gravity becomes true. And we're going to attach this right under here. And we might need our multiple brackets now. So we're going to add brackets there and put this in. And there we go. So we check for the space key. If the sphere 1 is not equal to null, meaning it's successfully assigned, then we enable gravity. We can save this, test it out, and that is the immediate problem that we need to solve. And there we go. I will see you in the next video.